looking at gold at the moment, it is currently, let's have a look back in here. Yeah, I mean, it's been trading high, the low, the high, the low, the high, back down to the low, back to the high of this range, but we're getting a bit of a breakout. That's could be possibly heading into price discovery. So we're moving out of this range here and trading through this fair value gap, as you see here. My target is this value area above. And how to get involved with this? Well, given that it's trending, so that's a 15-minute time frame. Let's go out to the 4-hour and get a bit closer to it. Yeah, okay. So it's been quite bullish. We've moved up, and now we're moving slightly above this value area. So if it holds, my trade plan is we go to a 30. All right. We want this to keep going. And all I'm looking for is more of the same of what we see here. So low to high pullback, buy, low to high pullback, buy, but it's got to give me a higher high pullback. That's it. Simple as that. 15 minutes, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, same thing. Don't get involved here. So that was the higher low. It's got to give me a higher high and then come back down into, yeah, I mean, something like that. So if that's the case, I'd be going long, stop under the previous low, target that high and beyond. You know, I'd look to close 50% at 1R. So that would be my trade plan. And yeah, pretty simple, straightforward, no complication, you know, nothing complicated. Let's just throw in a note. Okay, all right, try it again. Throw in a note, buy. Okay, it's got to give me a yeah, higher high. So I'll just label that. And look, if you've got any ideas, must give me a HH, higher high and then a higher low. Definitely higher low. Yeah, comment below, guys. That would be awesome. Let me know what you think. Have you got any ideas? Are we on the same page? Now this has got to hold above this value area high. So I want to see it come back and reject here. All right. And it's got to respect this level. And then all you're looking for is, you know, how it trades back. It's a very simple strategy. Nothing complicated. Let me just open that up. When that breaks, like it broke structure here, that's where you buy. Okay, so that's buy. B-O, oh gosh, okay, hang on. Nope, messed up everything there. Let's throw that in again. So, you know, like, see how it broke structure? I'll just throw it in there. BOS, break structure. BOS, and then buy. Right, can't see anything. Right, bring it to the front, possibly. No, okay. Visual order, there you go. All right, so I just want the same. So if we come back down in here, it's missing a text now. Break of structure. Yeah, so it trades up and we get a pullback. That's all I'm looking for, really. It's just that. But I've got to have a higher high. What else can I say? The other thing you could do is throw VWAP on there. Take it from the low. Take it from the most previous low. It's got to stay above VWAP. And I want it to respect this value area high. So that would be my trade plan for this. Now, if that fails, well, you know, the other thing you can do with this is you can fade it back down through the value area. If it breaks under this value area high, that POC would be my first target, and then the value area low would be my second target. Keep it simple. All right, guys, with that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.